Why 3D scan a city? 3D capture using handheld vehicle and drone mounted sensors as well as 360 imaging, 3D modeling and visualization allows us to document and digitally recreate archaeological sites and other heritage assets. We capture snapshots in time that record a slice of history that also have a multitude of uses to help plan sustainably for the future. At one scale, we can scan cities and landscapes, such as our work on virtual Bradford and coverage of the city centre and Saltaire UNESCO World Heritage Site. At the other end of the scale, we can scan objects, monuments, buildings and sites to place these heritage assets in context, helping to document the city, its architecture and rich narrative history. But aside from just documenting everything, this data has many uses, ranging from regeneration and disaster planning to supporting modelling for air quality and flood risk. Our capabilities also include a robot dog and cage drone that can take scanning technology to explore and map dangerous areas without risk to human life. Our immersive spaces can transport you to places beyond Bradford with wraparound 360 imagery. Where archaeology and heritage are at risk of destruction, we can capture and present these sites to mitigate loss. One key example of this is the archaeological site at the Knowe of Swandro in Orkney, an important 5,000-year-old site that risks being swallowed up by the sea due to coastal erosion. Scanning at a city or landscape scale helps to place archaeology and heritage, as well as urban regeneration, in context. And that's why we research, teach and develop these techniques and technologies here at the University of Bradford.